There's going to be a lovely present in the back compartment.
This thing is totally beating the Kenmore.
Those are brush rolls.